Today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is like a test page, on an Epson XP-2205. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. So, the first thing we need to do is turn the printer off, which we do over here. Then when this light stops flashing, hold down the stop button here and then turn the printer back on. Now we're going to hold both buttons down until the power light flashes and then release, okay? And release. Now if we leave the printer to it, in a moment it's going to print us that test page. And if we take a look at this page, you see it gives us a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow ink that the printer uses, showing its ability to both produce those colours and in fine detail. If you look at these slightly sloped lines made up of little individual lines, it's like the absence of one or more of these would result in like very fine lines on your prints. And this is a great first stage in troubleshooting print quality issues from your printer. If you notice any absences or breaks in this test page, I'd recommend doing some cleaning cycles, which can also be done directly from the printer, and we have a separate video for on our channel. Please do leave me a like if you found this video useful. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.